In this video, we're going to learn how to use the fill up and fill down options in Power Query. If you're working with data with gaps, for example, in this spreadsheet, some of the cells for the planet and department columns have been left blank. We can manually fill the cells by clicking and dragging up or down, but this can be very time-consuming if there is a lot of data. One way to fill the blank cells is to select the cells, click on the Home tab, and navigate to the Editing group. Click on Fill and choose either up or down to fill the cells above or below the cell with the data you want to copy. This can be very time-consuming if there is a lot of data. The best and quickest way to copy data into empty cells is to use Power Query. Click anywhere within the data and convert the range to a table by pressing Ctrl-T on your keyboard. The marching ants indicate the range it will convert to a table. Make sure you select all the data you want to include. If a table has headers, check My Table Has Headers. Click OK. By default, Excel will apply a table design to the table. To remove the design, click on the Design tab. Expand the table styles and click on Clear. It's always best to name the table so it's easily identifiable. To do this, click on the Table Design tab and type a name in the Table Name window. Make sure you do not include any spaces and click Enter. To open a table in Power Query, either click anywhere on the table and click on the Data tab and click on From Table/Range, or right-click on the table and click on Get Data from Table/Range. The data will load in Power Query. For the planet column, I want to fill the empty cells below the names of the planet. To do this, right-click on the column, click on Fill and select Down. Power Query has filled the empty cells with the correct planet names that were above it. For the department column, I want to fill the empty cells above the department name. This time, I'll select Up from the Fill option. Once again, Power Query has filled the empty cells above. To remove the remaining blank cells in the astronaut column, I'll click on the column filter and uncheck Null, then click OK. Now we have clean and sorted data. To load it back to Excel, click on the Home tab and click on Close and Load, then Close and Load. The data has loaded onto a new worksheet in Excel and applied a table style, which I'll clear. The original data is still available and can be cross-checked to make sure the data is correct. Thank you for watching and be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.